every sign. They are all marks of identity, powerful horsepower, full of good fortune. Everything is under control. Hummer Big G. Make a grand entrance. The road ahead. City traffic. Start calmly. For unique skills, reshaping the freedom of travel. Dual cell liquid cooled 4-stroke. For every heavy start. Power is his most instinctive language. It also exudes a powerful aura. Power is not limited to fuel. Potent, quiet, efficient electric power, all set, already in place. Master all trades, stand firm in life's fight. Bearing weight, climb hills, steady mind, mindful living. Focus on efficiency, proficient in all aspects of the smart economy. Beneath the main canopy lies precision craftsmanship, exact down to the tiniest details. Flex offset, balance center, tough light trucks, full line up, ideal power for every journey. Hanxue Big G, march forward with the might of a Hummer.